guess where we are?
We're at the port of Tampa.
Guess what day it is?
A different terminal because we just got some bad news. We're here at 10 a.m. and they said they're not leaving until
10 o'clock?
10 p.m.
Oh.
They got azopod problems. So we don't know if that's true or not, but one of my buddies told me that.
Very good source. We're going to be here till
we'll bring
10
it to
o'clock.
You. All right.
It's a beautiful day in Tampa, and it's cruise day.
It is cruise day,
It's
so
party and tea cruising.
we don't care.
Yeah.
The only bad part is, or the good part is, can't lose no money tonight if it don't open before I go to bed.
The casino. He's talking about the casino.
Yep.
That's his main focus.
All right, so
Not fun.
we'll see you on the other side of security.
Casino.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Alright, so here we go. Hey, that was confusing.
Very confusing getting on his
He
diamonds
accidentally
today.
called sweets first, then he changed it to diamonds first. It was crazy. But we're going our way. Alright, so we got an empty gangway. Jetway, which is it. That's what this one is, just so you know. Little crooked. Home sweet home, babe.
Yep.
And look, she didn't beat me on. What's up? Hello.
I'm waiting on elevators to straight back this way.
Thank you. Let me get a fan.
Yep. All right, got to get a fan.
Okay, and you mentioned
Going, babe.
we are going to our mustard drill.
Already
so
went to
then
the room.
we'll be done for the day, and we can just sit around and relax
Yep.
and get ready for the Bucks game.
All right.
Yay!
Going to muster station F, which is in the Queen Mary Lounge.
Yeah, the Queen Mary Lounge, the very back of the ship.
Yep, and that's where we're at.
Here we go.
Terry F. She said.
I didn't know.
She said F was in the Queen Mary Lounge.
No, he did. I told him, look at the sign. It
So
says it's
F that up.
upstairs.
So we're gonna go to the F, which is up
He
on
don't know
the
stuff.
Lido.
Yes. He does not know stuff. He
right.
knows stuff. Ask me. Don't ask
Yeah.
him.
All right. Keep closing all these doors.
It's very weird on the ship today. Okay.
And now we're here.
Now we're trying to find F. F, F, F.
All right.
F.
All right, so I know it's a little dark in here, but they just made an announcement, which is pretty cool, because we're in the Queen Mary Lounge here on the Paradise watching the Bucks Jets game. And today, naturally, we picked the 6-month day where you have to do a full muster drill.
Outside.
Yep, you have to do the old style muster drill, get in line, do all that stuff. But they made an announcement just now and said, we're not doing it until after the Bucks Jets game. That's pretty cool, right, babe? Yeah. And I know we're dark, but sorry, we don't have any light in here. We're watching the Bucks game.
Knowing that I
Peace
have
out.
all of these amazing.
So this has been a crazy cruise.
Crazy.
Oh, and we haven't even left the pier yet. It's 4:32. We haven't
Yeah,
left.
we're
We're not
getting
leaving.
held up.
Correct. We're not leaving till 10 o'clock tonight. But they said it's not going to impact our arrival in Cozumel, which we could care less.
Yeah.
But,
like
but
Cozumel.
anyway, all right. So I know, me too. But so anyway, so now we're doing, like I said earlier, we just picked the
mustard
the
drill.
wrong cruise to come on, because this is their once every 6 months
I never heard of it.
full
Drill.
muster drill.
In
So that
line.
means we have to get in line, stand and do all the other stuff that they normally used to do.
Let's see how they
So,
do it.
but I will give them this. We were watching the Bucks game, and they said they weren't going to do the muster drill till after the Bucks game was over. Kudos to them.
Yeah.
All right,
Bucks
we're gonna,
won. Yeah.
we're gonna go get in line and do our muster drill.
Lights out there. Let's go.
See ya. It's 4:32.
First, read the emergency instruction notice located behind your stateroom door.
And by the way, we're not leaving until 10 o'clock tonight. Did I already mention that? Oh well. We're waiting on our muster drill. Crazy. Abandoned ship. We're still at the dock. All right, babe, where are we going?
We're going to dinner. We're not real hungry, but we'll go see what they got.
I haven't eaten nothing, but I'm not hungry either.
He did eat. He forgot he had 2 pieces
I did.
of pizza.
During the Bucks game, I had 2 pieces of pizza.
He always says he didn't eat, but
It
he
might
did.
be 3, but
He ate.
All
He
right.
ate pizza.
So we're going to Din Din, and as you can see behind me, it's
Still in
6
Tampa.
o'clock and we're still sitting in Tampa.
Yep.
All right, bye. All right, Terry, what'd you get?
For an appetizer, I got a cheeseburger and fry. I thought it was going to be my meal, but
And then I got wild rice soup as my first appetizer of 3. All right, my second appetizer, baked tomato soup. Last appetizer, a Caesar salad. All right, Terry got the Cobb salad. Yummy, yummy. And I got the barbecue salmon minus the onion rings that Terry will eat. Terry got cheesecake. I got nothing.
you can have my mine.
It's now 7:20, and again, we are still sitting in Tampa. They claim it's maintenance, but we know the secret. It's azopod problems. In case you don't know what an azopod is, it pushes the ship. Doesn't pull, it pulls it actually. Known as channel side. One of those is gone. There's 2 of those. One's still sitting there. All right, it's that time. What a crazy
It's 11
day.
o'clock at night and I'm still up.
And we're still sitting at the dock.
And I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm very tired. Yo, we're still in Tampa.
We're still in Tampa.
Yep.
We haven't left yet. They said now it's going to be 12:30.
12:30.
So
But
crazy day.
we're going to have our chocolate martini because it's
that
so
time.
good.
And we're going to call it a night. So hopefully we'll wake up at sea or we'll wake up at the dock. I don't know.
So good.
So we'll see. All right. So tomorrow they're supposed to, they said, make up the time and we'll still get to Cozumel
On time.
the day after tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. So that means he's going to be running 20 knots easy. Oh, bless you, baby.
Sorry.
But anyway, so it was a crazy day. So anyway, we'll see you hopefully in the morning at sea. If not, we'll be at the dock and probably exiting the ship. We don't know. Anyway, we drink these because
They're so good.
they're so good and so strong. Cheers. Sleepy time.